What if I told you life is a beautiful?
Hey friend, hey, welcome if you're new. If you old, then it's a welcome to you too. I am Shakita D, and today I have prepared for you a Justfab shoe haul. After watching this video, if you like what you see, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, leave a genuine comment, and share it out to someone else who can use it. So you guys, I'm not going to hold you any longer. We're going to jump right into it. I have 3 pairs of thigh-high boots for you guys, okay? Or at least knee-high. They're at least gonna come to the knee, friend, okay? They're at least gonna hit them kneecaps, okay? For the thick thigh, wide leg girl, okay? Thick ankle, wide foot, whatever you want to call it, okay? From Justfab. Justfab is an online retailer that offers VIP membership, shoes, clothing, handbags, and accessories. However, the main focus is on shoes. Your first pair of shoes is for $10, and then every pair after that is 40% off with your first purchase. They offer a $49.95 monthly membership price, which you can skip by the 5th of every month. If you choose to skip, then you won't be charged for that month for your membership. If you choose not to skip, then you can use your VIP credit towards your purchase for the month. They always have a promotional situationship going on, friend, and the best part about it is you can cancel at any time for any reason. Simply take the style quiz to curate your Justfab closet. Before you know it, you'll have the latest trending shoes that fit your style at your front door. Shop Justfab. Now this video is not sponsored in any way. I purchased my Justfab subscription as well as my boots with my hard-earned cash. Okay, Cash Money Records took over for the 99 and the 2000s. But no, on a serious note. Okay, you guys, first things first, we have this, excuse me, we have these burnt orange kind of rust color boots. I thought were super duper uber cute. It has a little heel on it, you know, not too much, but just enough. It has to be about 3 inches, y'all, because I'm not gonna hold you, friend. I'm not finna be out here thinking I'm cute and feet hurting. And one thing about it, I'm gonna take care of my feet, okay? My dogs can never bark. We cannot do the barking of the dogs in 2024, okay? But I feel like these thigh-high boots, and they did come up the thigh, okay, did the trick for me. They come with a tie in the back. They come with a tie in the back, or string rather, so that you can adjust to your thigh size, which I think is super duper important. And I thought they were so cute. They are this faux suede material, okay, keyword faux. And they are super duper comfortable, okay? It's all about being comfortable, friend. We're not gonna be uncomfortable in any space in 2024, okay? Whether it be our shoes, our mind, body, or soul. Pray on it, friend. Next, you guys, we have these black, I like to call them like lug boots. Definitely come up the thigh. I mean, up the thigh. Like, up the thigh, friend. Like, up the thigh, okay? They up there. And these, I may have to find some type of leg grip or something for, because, first off, I like the sole. I like that it's not too high, not too low. I may have to find some type of leg grip because these fit my thighs just right. But I feel like I will have like a slide down, slip and slide type situation after a while. But when I say stretch, friend, stretch, okay? They stretchy, they gonna get you there. They're gonna do the trick. So if your thighs are smaller than mine, then this might not be the boot for you. But for my girls that need it, you know, because they're not never available nowhere. Let's be clear for us, okay? They're not never available for us, okay? They're available now on Justfab, okay? Your first pair is $10, okay? $10, friend. And last but not least, you guys, my favorites, these beauties right here, you guys, with this faux chepra, okay, in the inside. These boots are super duper cute, you guys. And the sole, look at the sole, like, it gives that thick look. So like, it is so cute. It gives a box toe in the front, and they are this beautiful cognac color butter, baby. That's all I gotta say. And even though they flip down, you can also flip them up, okay? And you don't have to show the shopper at all, and then they become the thigh. Okay, so they give you knee and they give you thigh. Now that's a 2-for-1 special, okay, for $9.99, $10 over at the people at Justfab, okay? I absolutely love these boots. They are super comfortable. I will say though that I took a chance and purchased these because these were not on the wide side, but I saw them and I was like, okay, they have the opening in the back, so my thigh might be able to make it. However, honey, when it came to the ankle area, it's a little bunching up. As you can see, it has creased a little bit, okay? So it's a minimal crease, and I'll take the minimal crease because these are my friends. Like, I absolutely love these. I have a cute crop shepherd jacket from Pretty Little Thing. Honey, you ain't gonna be able to tell me Nathaniel with these bad boys right here on. Okay, friend, get you some. Make sure that you go over and check out the people at Justfab, you guys. Everything will be linked down below in the description bar. I hope that you enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you. And if so, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, friend, because why not? You know, it's free. You know, it doesn't cost you anything. And also ring that notification bell so that you can know when I upload a video, because it may be some pertinent information to you, or you, or you, or you, or you, okay? And once you do that, then you're gonna know. We're gonna become friends. You're gonna love it here, okay? And until the next one, I thank you guys. I'm so grateful for you watching and subscribing.